guys, it's your girl Leslie, your favorite YouTube lesbian, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a super quick lesson in how to use liquid shadow for those of you who are intimidated by it or just have never tried it. It is like such a time saver, you have no idea. So if you'd like to learn how to work with liquid shadows, then this is the video for you. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. We have a good time here, I'm telling you. Hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's get into our lesson. Alright, you guys, so this is going to be a super quick lesson on how to use liquid eyeshadows. If you've never used them before, they can be a little intimidating, a little tricky, but today I'm going to show you how. This is going to be so fast, you don't even know. We're going to be using the Blue Blood palette, and our liquid shadow today will be will be the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. It doesn't have a name, so I don't know what color it is, but it's pretty. Alright, let's get started. Eyes primed with the Anastasia base and set with a little bit of translucent powder. So I'm going to start by mixing Celebrity Skin and Priceless. And this is going to be our transition shade. So I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear this or not, but we're watching Aladdin in the background. You know, the like live action remake. Yeah. I freaking love Aladdin. That was my favorite Disney movie until Lion King came out. Oh my gosh. Oh, and of course Little Mermaid. Can't forget about that. The classics, you know. Man, y'all, if you knew how long I have been sitting here. I had a totally different look planned today, and by the time I got done with it, I hated it. Hated it. And we're not cutting out the crease. This is basically going to be like a fake cut crease kind of situation. But I mean, if you want to cut out the crease, you go right ahead, honey, but I've been here way too long. In tiny liquor bottles, just what you expect. I've been meaning to do this video for a while anyway, because I know for myself, like, I did not know how to use a cream eyeshadow at all until I really started getting into makeup, you know, and working on it and perfecting my craft. Not perfection, though. Now that I do know how to use them, though, man, if you guys have like only 5 or 10 minutes to get ready, or you throw that on, you will be good to go. They're so amazing. So now that I have the basic shape that I want, I'm going to take the bigger side of the brush and just go over it. With Rockefellers, you're tripping like a saturated sunrise. You're spilling like an overflowing sink. Okay, on this same brush, let's dip into Celebrity Skin and blend out over the top. It's really weird, you guys, to have like Will Smith as the genie. Like, I'm used to Robin Williams. Like, it's so sad. And let's take that first blending brush and grab some Priceless and go back over the top and blend in the outer corner. Alright, so we're going to leave that there for now. So this is the part where we're going to use our liquid shadow. So there's a couple ways that you can use a liquid shadow. You can simply put it on using the applicator and be done. Have a good day. You can put it on with an applicator and finesse it with a brush, which is generally how I do it. You can leave it like that, or you can put a shimmer or glitter powder over it, which is what I like to do. So I'm going to show you how I use it, but whatever is easier for you guys, you do you. So I like to take the applicator and go about the first half of my eye in the shape that I want it, like so. Make sure you look up because it is going to tell you where your crease line is. And then I just pat it in with a brush first. And the other cool thing about liquid shadows is they don't dry super quick, so you do have time to manipulate them. I'm going to put some more on the outer. We're going to go all across the lid with this. But do you see how quick and easy? Like if I wanted to, I could just call it a day and be like, bye, I gotta go. I'm in a hurry. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush so I can really get up into the crease line. And bringing it into the inner corner. Cleaning this up at the end. Y'all know how I do. So if you liked it, with whatever color you had, you could totally leave it. Like I said, I like to go a step further and add some shimmer to it. So I'm going to grab Crystal Flesh and we're going to put this all over on top of the liquid shadow. And I like to do this because the liquid shadow almost becomes like a base for the shimmers and really makes them pop. Pretty cool, huh? Freshen that up. Right, so I'm going to go back to Power and fix our little crease line. So we're going to trace this and be a little bit more precise this time. This is the key to make it look like you did a cut crease, but you really didn't, a little trick of the eye. this crease line to be thinner, you can always use an eyeliner brush as well. That's what I usually do, but I wanted it to be a bit more noticeable this time.
Tried to phone me, but I never had time. He said that I never listen, but I don't even try. I found the devil.
Let's grab Celebrity Skin and go back. Make everything cohesive. And I've been sitting here so long, I bet you it was live PD time just about. Time is it, baby? Oh, see? 45 minutes till live PD's on. That's what I do on my Friday and Saturday nights. Not this crazy life that this bitch thinks I live. That's some tea for another day. Now I'm going to grab a regular fluffy blending brush and we're just going to blend this out.
And his lips like tangerine, dreamish color
Okay, now let's pop some of Cool and Ann in the underbrow. And add Wealthy as well. Voila! Alright, now let me go finish off the rest of my face. Underneath the eye, we are going to smudge Untouchable and put a little bit more Crystal Flush right in the inner corner. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, I am back. The look is finished. I just went ahead and threw on some Shop Envy Me lashes in the style Batty B. Did a little bronze and highlight. I'm not really going to go through it all because really this video was just about learning how to use a liquid eyeshadow. So I hope that you guys took something away from this. I hope that you will feel more confident in working with a liquid shadow. They are the best thing to carry around with you to get ready in a pinch. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Then I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Go 5, 4, 3, 2. I let one go. I don't bluff, bro.